3, they have constructed a house out of various materials after drawing their prototype, and they're going to measure to see if their house can withstand various wind speeds. We are going to be using a blow dryer for the wind. We're using an anemometer that will measure the wind speed in decimals, which means that they're going to have to round the decimal to the nearest whole number. We're going to be using a timer for the 10 seconds, and we used a yardstick for the different distances, because the more closer we get, the faster the wind speed will be. And we have Jake and Amanda holding the anemometer. We have Jeremiah, who's holding the foundation of the house, and we have Isabella and Penny that are recording the data and the observations. We're going to start our trials and see what happens. Okay, Amanda, let me know, and Jake, what the wind speed is once I turn on the blow dryer. Let me know when it's in the 20s. Shout it out. 22 and 1/10. So now we're going to test it. 10 seconds. The house, what's happening? All right, what was the observation?
Kind of like flapping.
Yeah. So, okay, so the sides are flapping up and down. Write that down in the observations.
Like a bird.
Okay, now we're going to go a little closer, which means what? What's going to happen now that we're getting closer?
It might like go.
The wind speed's going to what?
Go like faster and harder.
Yes. Ready? Let me know what's in the 30s. $35. So, the anemometer. Put it here. What's happening to the bag? Write that down.
The thing,
The slayer.
Do you see more movement now that we're closer?
the walls were moving a little higher than the.
Jimmy has not died.
Oh yeah, that's him.
Now we're gonna get into the 40s. So let's move the anemometer more this way. Let me know what's in the 40s. Avery. 46, 10. The anemometer. The anemometer. Time is up. What do we notice?
The flag kept moving. I did not pay attention.
And the sides, right? So pretty much the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I think ours is
Now Jake's gonna hold the anemometer.
Do I add?
So switch with pen.
Do I add all the?
Not yet.
Okay.
We're not gonna do the math part yet.
That's second.
So you're gonna hold the anemometer here. Actually, this way.
Wait, is it the second trial or is it still?
Now we're in the second trial. Hold it here, Jake. And then
Sorry.
maybe we can have Amanda. You're gonna have to get up on the other side, or Jake. Both of you can read it. Are you ready? We're gonna start in the 20s. Let me know when it's in the 20s. And 7 cents. The anemometer, I'm gonna put the timer. Now, what do we notice? Pretty much the same?
Yeah.
All right, let me know what's in the 30s. 35 and what? 35 and 410. The anemometer. Okay. Shaking. Walls are moving. Sorry, Jeremiah. The anemometer needs to be here. Ready?
Okay. I'm ready now.
40s. All right, 45. What do we notice now?
It's shaking.
Let's try
Same thing.
Yeah.
Shaking, walls moving.
Okay, now we're going to do the third trial after we write our
Was
notes.
the flag moving?
The flag was moving. It was shaking.
Okay, we're going to start again. Penny, do you want to hold the anemometer? Okay, switch with Jake. Do you want Amanda to hold the mic now so your hands are...
Yeah.
ready? Okay. Alright, you're going to put up this line, the anemometer, house, keep it where it is. As soon as you read it, when it's in the 20s, you're going to move the anemometer out of the way. Ready? Go. Keep it up. Seconds. It's vibrating like that.
I could hear the
You could hear the tin foil. Put that. That's an observation. What we hear. Okay, now we're in the 30s. Let me know. 38. Right, 38 and 8. Your anemometer. Okay, time is up. What do we notice? More shaking?
The plate is kind of like moving.
Yeah, the foundation is moving.
And the straws too.
The straws are moving?
Except it's still okay. So that's good.
Okay, let's go ahead and put the anemometer back over here. Let me know what's in the 40s. 48. Anemometer. 48. 7.
I saw it kind of move.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wonderful.
So the foundation was deforming.
Yes. And it's kind of like sinking in over here. Okay, so now you're going to get together with your group and you're going to do the math portion where you round each decimal to the nearest whole number. So, for example, if you have 22 and 10,
That would be 22.
you're going to round it, this whole thing, to whatever number this says. So if it's a 1, it stays the same. So you're going to write 22 miles per hour. Then you're going to do, what's another one? Oh, look at this one. 26 and 7. Now it's going to turn to 20. You guys are so smart. All right, good job. Your house looks good. Very nice.